Hi everyone, my name is Lexi Medici. I'm currently in my last semester of classes before my practicum, which I'll start in the beginning of August. So far, I've really liked this program and I've learned a lot from the varied courses. A little about me. I graduated from the University of Rhode Island with an undergraduate degree in Health Studies, Health Promotion. I currently live in Providence, Rhode Island. My hope is to move to New York City to pursue a public health career in a much bigger city once I graduate from UNE in December. But for now, I work at the Providence VA as a research coordinator in cardiovascular clinical trials. Most of the protocols I'm working on deal with patients with heart failure and type 2 diabetes with CVD risk. In my personal spare time, I love taking my dog for hikes and to the beach. I posted a picture here of her as a puppy. I also enjoy cooking and planning my next adventures. I recently been starting to travel more and more, and I'm currently planning my next adventure, which involves my practicum, where I've been accepted to an internship in Costa Rica for 6 weeks. My past experience with conducting a community health needs assessment is very limited, although I've conducted one in the past. During my undergraduate time, I took a community health course where each group had to conduct a needs assessment in our community and then propose an intervention. Our community was students at the University of Rhode Island. The need we assessed for the community was sleep, and the time frame we focused on was the week before finals. Basically, to give you guys a little synopsis, we proposed a sleep week where each day we would do something new to help students catch some extra Z's before they took their finals the next week. I plan to do a community-based needs assessment project in a park in my neighborhood. I currently live in Providence, Rhode Island in a loft-style mill apartment. There's a park nearby where all of the kids in our neighborhood play during the day. However, it's also a place that is frequented by homeless individuals at night. These individuals partake in alcohol use and drug use and sexual activity during the night, which is a problem in itself. However, children and parents the next day deal with the aftermath, such as broken bottles, needles, and condoms. As the only green space for these children, I believe this is a great need for the community and a real health hazard and a safety concern. Thank you. I look forward to meeting you guys throughout the rest of the class.